So sleep paralysis is a natural occurrence during the night. We are all paralyzed. Paralyzed in the sense that your brain will send the electrical signal to your muscle to move your hand, but you can't move it because between the neurons there is some chemical thing going on. The neural pathway goes until the muscle, so hence you can it's as if you want to move your hand, but you can't move it. The hand will not move because chemically there's a chemical reaction going on, and that will be stopped, so the electrical stimuli will not go further to the muscle. So it's a natural occurrence. We are all paralyzed for the purpose so you don't act out during the dream time. When you dream about running, you don't want to run in bed. Hopefully when you go to the toilet in bed, in your sleep, you don't want to go to toilet in bed, etc. You are swimming, you don't want to swim into the face of your lover next to you, right? So we are all paralyzed. You are acting in the dream state, and the interesting fact is that on the nervous system, everything fires up as if you are swimming. So for those who want to train, gymnastics, you're actually training your body in the dream state. So that's one of the applications of the shift of the lucid dreams, astral projection, is that you can train yourself in the dream state, and it's as if you were awakened. Except you cannot hurt yourself while you are doing a somersault, while you would hurt yourself if you land badly on your head, break your spine. But in the dream state, fully safe, you can train, and actually after you wake up, it works. Your brain and your muscle memory is being worked out while you are dreaming. So coming back to the sleep paralysis, it's all natural, it all happens to all of us, except those who suffer, saying they suffer from sleep paralysis, report, I wake up, I cannot move my body, it's difficult to breathe, as if a demon sitting on my chest. Basically they perceive the body, they start to perceive the dream body at the same time. They perceive too, it's a little bit, they are not accustomed with the techniques of the shift, like you learn with me today and other videos, so they do not know all these techniques, so hence they are suffering. For a guy like me, when I'm having a sleep paralysis, I'm congratulating myself, let's go, techniques, stand up, I'm engaging into my dream body, stand up from the bed and go on with the experience, a beautiful experience that follows. So how to get out from sleep paralysis? You need to watch the video about the intent. So we're gonna make a special one on the intent, and why the person is feeling blocked, confined into the body, into paralysis, is because the person is trying to move the body in a habitual way, and that doesn't work. You cannot move your body because it's paralyzed. So you try to move your hand, it doesn't move. So what you need to do is to create, if it's not done yet, your dream body, your another pair of hands. So we will make a separate video about that. But what you want to do is intend to move, not move with your physical hands as usual, but you want to move. For now, if it happens before you watch the intent video or watch some other videos on the channel about sleep paralysis where I explain it, and I explain watch in particular the video about how to fly, how to move around, I give you an exercise how to work on the intent in that particular video. And so I will make anyway, I'm gonna make a new one before year end anyway. And that is how you work out your intent. You need to work with your intent. In the dream state, everything answers to the intent, not to the physical efforts of moving your hand or your legs. All right, so that's the thing. So anyone who is suffering from sleep paralysis, you are welcome into my course, because you're gonna learn how to transform your suffering into something beautiful, into visiting the universe, diving into the ocean, breathing under the water, meeting interesting people that you wouldn't meet in your waking life, etc., etc., etc. So watch the previous videos if you are new to the channel. So this is a course that will contain about 15-20 videos before year end. So access the playlist and watch all the beginning in case you have to catch up. And also, if you want to take your practice to the next level and you are ready to learn today, you do not want to wait until year end, I have a course fully in place on my website, and that is also your way to support my work. Purchase the 3 modules and you will be set all the information inside. So it's called advanced. When you buy the advanced package, all the 3 modules inside, and or buy the unlimited package. Unlimited package is really beautiful because it gives you unlimited workshops with me, with small groups of maximum 5 people, usually 5, 6, 7 people join that. So it's not too many people, it's not a group. It's not the 30 people coming at the same time where you have no time to talk. So and unlimited classes. So it's a lifetime. You pay one time, unlimited package, and you book a class with me at any time. You just contact me, Yuri. I would like to have a class over the weekend. Some other guys join or not, and you're on. Little thank you from you if you can. Little like. Subscribe and put on notification to all so that you do not miss the next learning videos. And I don't say goodbye. See you soon.